Welcome back to Snowpocalypse 2025. Looks a little bit different than it did yesterday. We're about 11 hours in, and it's still snowing. This is all over Arkansas. Paul, I will not be going anywhere today. Here's my Kia. GMC ain't in any better spot. She ain't running right now anyway. Yep. Not a good day to be a gig worker. At all. So, y'all stay tuned. I did get that water leak fixed. Didn't get the hole filled in, but I got it covered and got a couple of blankets down to keep the pipes insulated. Keep the water dripping.